Gosh, hard to believe a whole entire another season is gone, but here we are. Time to light the furnace again. Oh my goodness, the end of 2018. And I still don't have an automatic lighting furnace. Well, technically I do. See, here is my pilot switch module thing and all that. However, it's been out for, I don't know, 8 years now. And each year I'm going to get it fixed, but let's face it, once we get it lit, as long as we don't get crazy windstorms, we're okay. So, again, I'm going to try it again this year. So, let's try and light this thing. Now, I have removed, this here was my plate. It was over here. There's just 4 simple little screws that I took out. I did that to kind of speed up our process. What we've got to do is we have got to get a flame to the very end of the gas control valve without it going out. Now, there's where your problem is. I chose today because the wind's not blowing too bad and stuff. So, hopefully, we're going to be able to get this sucker in here without it blowing out and my blood pressure going up and all that stuff. What we got to do is, this is your thermocoupler. Your thermocoupler, what your thermocoupler does is it controls your gas control valve. Your thermocoupler is your feeler. If it does not feel the flame, and it does not, your thermocoupler has to be in the flame. If it does not feel the heat, it will shut down the gas control valve and it won't even let your furnace kick on. That's what it's supposed to do. It's a safety measure. That way you don't have extra gas going out, you know, more than what's being burnt. As long as you got a flame at the end of your thing, no matter what, you're not going to blow up because it's going to burn as quickly as it's coming out. So, let's see. Let's get our little switch. Now, I tell you, getting this thing over there to where it belongs is even a headache. So, what we're going to do is we will have to take this all the way over to pilot. But first, we got to get us a flame. So, let's see if we can't get this thing lit. I tell you, this really gets my blood pressure up every year. It's probably the worst video I could make because it is very, very, very tricky to do and see already. And I ain't even stuck it in there and I'm already having problems. This may not have been the best paper. Maybe I should have got a different one. Let's see. Come on, give me some flame. Nope, that ain't gonna work. You know what? Let's just get us a new one, okay? Because it's already starting with me. And I ain't even in the mood for this crap today, to be honest. So let's get that out of here. And I did put it on top of another paper. I'm not burning the house down. I promise. That's not what my intention is here. Okay, so again, we've got our paper. We're going to shove her in here. And get our little thing ready to go over like that. Let's get us some flamage. Burn, paper, burn. Burn, paper, burn. Burn, paper, burn. Don't go out on me, paper. You're already going out on me, paper. What a stupid paper. Okay, guys, it's time to turn the hat around because every redneck knows when it gets serious, it's time to turn the hat around. That's when you get their attention because they know. Now the furnace knows I'm serious. Now it knows my hat's around and then it is sitting here shaking with fear. Not only that, I have pulled out a napkin, which should burn better for us. Oh, dang it. Well, one would think it's going to, huh? Okay, let's get it wedged in here. Good. Now that should give us some flamage, people. It may even give us a little bit too much flamage. I don't know. Let's see what we can do here. I lied. I probably got packed too tight. went out on me. And we were doing so good. I had honestly forgot to turn the gas on. Now I've turned it on. I reached down there, and that's what I reached down there and done. And my lighter gave up on me. Dang, so close, but yet so far away. Here we go. It went out. This is the part that really shoots my blood pressure up, people. Now we got traded again. Okay, so now we've got to start again. I'm going to get a smaller piece this time because I think I kind of got that too compacted. Now, always remember, each time you let go of your lighter thing, I can't even think, your red button, you got to push all the way over to pilot. You have to go all the way back over to the off position. Dang it, this thing keeps turning on me. You going to help me, Angel? Oh my goodness. Okay, well, now I went all the way through. I can't win for losing, people. Okay, this is what happens when you get frustrated. I need to calm down. Okay, so we're going to come all the way from the off position all the way over to pilot. That is a big deal, because if you miss that step, it won't work right. Okay, cross your fingers and let's hope this is our last time. Oh, I forgot. Our lighter quit on us, Angel. Here we go. We're going to come all the way from the off straight over to pilot. And I put it out. Dang it. Shoot. See, when you touch it on something, it'll make it go out too. Why I keep grabbing that thing as though it's going to work this time around, huh? Not the brightest bulb in the pack sometimes, I don't guess. Let's see if we get a real flame going here. There we go. That's the sound I wanted to hear. Now we got it fire. You have to wait until that thermocoupler gets hot. The thermocoupler I was telling you about, that's really like a sensor. So you got to hold it on pilot until that thermocoupler gets hot. My finger's broken. That hurts. So as soon as that pilot or that thermocoupler gets hot, I will be able to release the pilot thing. Usually 60 seconds. 60 seconds should be good. Angel, it's hot now. 60 seconds usually will get you hot enough that you can release it just to the on position, and then your furnace, then at that point you can change it, your thermostat, flip it on, and you should have heat. Went rather easy, honestly, with just a couple little technicalities. Our flame's burning kind of big. Probably got a lot of stuff built up on it from last year. Maybe some of that will come off. Man, holding that thing really gets to hurting. See, it makes a print on the edge of your finger, but it does work. So this is the way to get by with not using your automatic lighter. I've been talking and not counting, so I'm not sure really where I am as far as can I let go of this. Of course, it's important to make sure your filters and all are changed, and I need to give this a real good cleaning out, going over. I'll just be happy to have some heat. We went straight from summer to winter. We went straight from burning up, needing an air conditioner, to freezing our butts off, needing a heater. The nice thing about Ohio, if you don't like the weather today, just stick around, because it'll be different tomorrow. That's for sure. Okay, I am really excited to release this thing. Sometimes if you release it too early and you realize that your flame's going down or out, you can sometimes push it back over quick enough. Okay. There we go. We are in the on position. The only thing left to do now is to put our screws in. Not drop them. Like I just did. Don't get shocked is what I'm going to do. I'm wanting to turn that up and listen for it to kick up. Just to make sure we got everything going. So let me run over here and turn up the thermostat. Okay, let's see. I think if I turn my power switch... There we go. Hear that? That's the sound we're looking for. So, we have now successfully lit the furnace and got it going. I don't know if you can see our little flame going in there, but that's what we were after. Okay, guess now I'm ready to clean off my plates, get them back together, and move on with my day. Hope you find this video helpful. Give me a like, a share, and a subscribe if you would.